Welcome to Coriscooking channel. Today we are making Angel's smooth puddings. These puddings may look firm, but the moment you take a bite, it instantly melts in your mouth, leaving behind the gentle flavors of milk, vanilla, and eggs. First, scrape out the vanilla beans. Pour milk, heavy cream, and the vanilla beans in a pot. Next, mix egg yolk with cane sugar, but don't whisk. Heat the milk, heavy cream, and the vanilla beans at about 70 degrees Celsius while mixing with a rubber spatula over medium heat. Pour the heated milk into the egg yolk in 3 steps and mix well each time. Once you mix the egg yolk with the cane sugar, make sure to swiftly move on to this step. The egg yolk will solidify if you leave the sugar mixed with the egg yolk for too long. Filter this to remove any bubbles and scoop out remaining surface bubbles using a card. In order to get a melt-in-the-mouth texture, you need to bake the pudding in an oven full of steam. Pour the pudding into small containers, line them up on a baking pan, and pour hot water warmed up to 80 degrees Celsius on the pan so that the pan is evenly submerged in water. Steam bake in an oven preheated to 140 degrees Celsius for 20 to 40 minutes. If the surface seems to be scorched, place an aluminum foil over the pudding. The baking time largely depends on the pudding's temperature, so make sure to adjust the baking time according to your oven. The pudding is well baked if the surface of the pudding is resilient when shaken. If the surface ripples, then it needs to be further steamed. Here's a tip. Avoid opening the oven frequently to check the puddings. The oven needs to be filled with steam for the pudding to be fully and evenly baked, and every time you open the oven, the steam will gush out. If your oven has a window, you can tap the oven to shake the puddings and check if they need further baking. Also, be careful when you open the oven. The steam is literally steaming hot. After baking, transfer to a tray and cool at normal temperature. Afterwards, cover with a wrap and cool well in a refrigerator. Now let's make the caramel. Add granulated sugar and water to a pan and cook over medium heat. Once the caramel is cooked, turn off the fire, immediately add hot water and mix. If clumps of caramel remain, heat the caramel over low heat until evenly melted. Cool the caramel, pour it on top of the pudding, and yay, we're done! Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!